finishers, that is Arvind KP, Pradeep HK and Pramod Joshua. All from TVS Racing Team. And a big round of applause for Mr. Santosh, Regional Sales Manager, MRF. Well, ladies and gentlemen, podium finish at third position from TVS Racing Team, competition number 10. We have Pramod Joshua. Mr. Santosh, Regional Sales Manager, MRF, doing all the honors and giving away the trophy to Pramod Joshua at second place. Podium finish by none other than competition number 19. Vehicle RTR 160 TVS Racing Team, Pradeep HK. And the trophy for Pradeep by Mr. Santosh. Come on people, he deserves a big round of applause. None other than competition number 96. Podium finish 1. Ladies and gentlemen, put a big round of applause for Arvind KP from TVS Racing Team. Trophy to Arvind, Pradeep and Pramod, all lifting the trophy. Congratulations to the winner and all.